Guys, it's been tough, guys. I haven't been uploading for the past 2 weeks now. It's been 2 weeks since I uploaded a video on my channel, guys. And it's not like I didn't want to, you know. It's not like I didn't want to upload. It's just that I've been going through some things. At work I got investigated for forging a sick note, guys. An investigation for that. You know,
You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
at work, and while that's going on, I also had the talk with the rent, man. I had the talk with my parents regarding my future and what I really want, man. And I told them that what, I'm gonna take a break from school and pursue my trading seriously. I'm gonna take this trading thing so seriously, and I've got until the end of the year, guys. Until the end of the year to do whatever I need to do to make it work, man. I've got until the end of the year, so that's why your boy hasn't been uploaded. Like, life took over, man. And guys, I really wanted to upload. It's just that, like, I couldn't, man. Like, there was just a lot. My mind was everywhere. So now I don't have any excuses, guys. There's no excuses. It's a thing of we need to push now. We need to push, and yeah, that's basically just. I just wanted to give you guys like a young update. I know not a lot of people are gonna watch this, but it's like, you know, I'll look back on this video end of the year and we'll see if I actually did take it seriously enough to where I wanted to be. But yeah, man, it's about to get serious now. It's about to get serious. I don't wanna spend too much time talking about this. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Yeah, after this part, you're just gonna see a market analysis I did yesterday. You know, yeah, it's been a while, guys. It's been a while, but I think I'm starting to get back on the groove of things now. You know, but then we'll see, man. We'll see. Yeah, that's just my 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I just wanted to tell you guys, give you guys a young update on why I haven't been, you know, why I haven't been active. But then, yeah, man. I'll see you on the next video, man. On the next clip. How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you guys can hear the car outside, but like, yeah, sorry for the noise. But then, yeah, guys, how have you guys been, man? Um, yeah, guys, these past couple of weeks, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, yo, life caught up, guys, life caught up. But then, yeah, man, we're not here to get into that for now. I just wanna come do my weekly review, guys. Weekly review. I'm here to do my weekly update, guys. Weekly update. So right now we're on the dollar index, guys. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, the dollar index has been moving quite weird. It's been moving weird. I think it's with the whole Trump and China situation, man. Like, nah, the dollar's just been bad, 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 bad. Cause I thought that it was gonna buy. You see, once we were here, when price was here, I thought we were gonna buy into these zones before selling. You know, when price also got somewhere here by this low here, I started looking for buys. Yeah, no, dog. You guys can clearly see I have a zone here. I thought price once it got here, I thought it was gonna, retest then shoot down, but then we just started shooting down, guys. Yeah, trading the dollar is just it's a lot. It's a lot for now. It's a lot. But then, I am very much bullish. Not bullish, what am I saying? I'm bearish on the dollar. because we just keep on breaking lows, and we breaking lows. So I am bullish, bro. I mean bearish, guys. I'm bearish, but I am expecting something like this right now. I'm expecting something like a pullback to come back down. Why? Because clearly price broke this low that we had right here. Like, let me remove this. I'm gonna put this as a breakout structure. My BOS. Price did break. I do see a gap right here, guys. There is a gap in the market, and you guys do know normally when there's a gap in the market, price does have to come and fill in that gap. Most of the time price comes and fills in the gap. So that's why I'm saying I'm looking for the dollar index to buy for now, just so that we can fill in that gap. Though you guys understand what I'm trying to say? Is here's my high right here, guys. Is we playing along this range here, you know. But then price also doesn't have to always fill in the gap, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? Price doesn't always have to fill in the gap, because you guys can clearly see there's a gap right here. It still hasn't been filled, so we don't know when price goes up, is it gonna come fill this gap? We still have this zone on the 4 hour. Is it a fair value gap? I think on a 4 hour I have this fair value gap. Still hasn't been, price didn't come to test this fair value gap. So I don't know, will the market do something like that, or come sweep here then bam? We don't know. But for now, I'm looking for this one because it's the nearest one. But then we'll see what it does. Let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD, guys, is just a lot here. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, like there really is a lot. You know, it's so confusing trading GBP USD, because let me tell you what's so confusing, guys. Go to the week. Oh, we are on the weekly. So, guys, you guys can clearly see on the weekly we are making higher highs and higher lows. Right, we are in a bullish trend. Right now we are at this, at this high right here. So it's a matter of, do we break, or are we gonna get a double top and just start reversing? Let me tell you what was so confusing for me when it comes to GBP. You guys can clearly see, like, let me make this big. Let me just make it a normal line. You guys can clearly see we are in a in an uptrend, right? Price is making, is a high, and then this is a significant high as well. It's higher than that high. You guys understand? You know, this is the low, and then we've got another low that's higher than this low. And then anything that happens between this range from this high to this low, it's all internal structure, right? What got me was the internal structure, I'm not gonna lie, because I started seeing price break these lows right here. Clear, clear, clear. You see these lows, this low, this low, this low, and this low. Price started breaking there. So to me, there was like, oh, we might start selling. But I didn't keep in mind that no, as long as price doesn't break this low right here, we still good, because all of this is internal structure, guys. This is all internal structure. So I didn't keep in mind that I was focused on these internal structures, these internal structure lows getting broken. So I thought that this is probably a time to start selling. um GBP USD. I was wrong. I was wrong, guys. This thing just started pushing because I started looking for sales here. Once price got here, I started looking for sales. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, yeah, it broke impulsively downwards. So maybe this is gonna start being the pullback, and then we're gonna expect the sales. Nah, bro. I was wrong, guys. Clearly, I was wrong. So I am pretty confident that we might break these highs right here. We might just break the highs because we came to test these lows. We failed to break these lows. So what's next? Now we at these highs. Since we failed to break these lows, the only the only way is up because after a strong so clearly this is a after a strong low we expect a weak high, and then after a weak high we expect a strong low. So this low, I am quite confident it might, cause the break of structure of this high. So yeah, man, this GU, I'm just expecting buys on GU right now, just like how I see sells on the dollar, you know. But then to tell you of like where price is gonna go, I don't wanna lie, I don't know. I don't. Oh my God, the Wi-Fi. What's going on? Fuck it. Let me quickly pause here. Okay, guys. All right, all right, all right, all right. So yeah, guys, we are now on the daily, daily. Um, guys, I'm gonna try to keep this as short as possible. I don't want a long video. On the daily, I think this was like last week or 2 weeks back, bro. This structure here, I think this was 2 weeks ago. Bro, this was so confusing as well for me. Oh, bro, like there was just a lot going on these past 2, 3 weeks in the market, but it's cool. Cause I thought that we were gonna start selling here, cause it came to my zone, you know, it came to my zone, came to this fair value gap, and then it just started selling. It broke these lows right here. I thought this was a break of structure, and we're gonna start selling to go down, but then look at this, bro. It just came to fill in this imbalance and keep on going. So yeah, guys, I won't lie, guys, it's been really tough in the market for me. uh, yeah, I haven't been trading a lot, and the trades I do take, they're just losses. You guys understand? So what am I doing? Damn. um so yeah, guys, if you look at the 4 hour, bro, like for me, GU just doesn't look as, you know, the only structure I do see is here, you know. Let me show you what I could see on the 4 hour. I see a low right here, right? With a low. I see this high. We are in an uptrend. We are still in an uptrend, guys. I do see this high that it just formed right now. God, what am I doing? We have a high, then we broke. Pigs, what are you doing? Okay, and then we got this break of structure right here, right? We are bullish. You can say that there is a fair value gap right here, you know. There is a fair value gap here, you know. There is, like, basically, when I see a move like this and I see a candlestick like this, I see this as imbalance. So for me, I'm probably gonna wait for the market to come into this zone, then shoot up with the market, right? Because you know what, like with the knowledge I know is that if there's an imbalance, price normally comes to test that imbalance or like touch the imbalance, before shooting continuing with the trend. You understand? So in an uptrend, price will go down to an imbalance before shooting up, and then vice versa for sales. So that's basically what I could say I'm looking for short term, bro. Like this trade idea shouldn't be a this should be an intraday trade according to me, bro. Shouldn't be a shouldn't be a swing trade, but this is what I could say I'm looking for. Yeah, let me check my fav. I can just use this to check if it's on premium or discount. Another confluence, you could add that price might come here is that it is gonna be on a by the 50% mark. You know, we're just gonna have to wait for price to get on the discount zone, like around here. Get and if you trade support and resistance, this could be your, you know, this was once a resistance that can turn into a support and then we shoot up. So that also aligns. And yeah, so I'm just probably gonna wait for GBP USD to get to that zone before we look for buys. So yeah, that's what I see on GBP USD. We're probably gonna sell first, then look for buys. Euro USD, guys. Euro USD. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm in a trade right now. I'm in a buy. And yeah, it's not looking good, I'm not gonna lie. This trade is not looking good. Let me tell you why I took the trade. Let's go into the 15-minute, bro. I don't know if you guys can see why, but here's the reason why I took the fucking trade, bro. Like, oh my gosh. Let me go to the 1 hour. This thing doesn't wanna press. Let's go to the 1 hour, though. Now let's stay on the 15-minute. So, guys, with Euro USD is bullish, right? We are bullish, strong bullish. So, what I saw, let me take out this session. I just want to show you guys something quick. So, when I got into this trade, right, I saw this on the low time frame. I saw a break of structure on the 15. I saw an imbalance. I saw this, not an imbalance, but then this candlestick right here. And you could say that this is an imbalance because price didn't come, like price just shot up and didn't come to retest or didn't give us any sort of pullback, right? It came, then it started moving up, breaking structure to the upside. Then it was like ran around here yesterday, I think. It was like round around here. And then when I analyzed, I saw that price is, it's bullish. It's still making higher highs and higher lows, right? But there is an imbalance right here, right? I took this like, yeah, I saw an imbalance right here, and I marked it. I'm like, as soon as price taps in, I I'm gonna enter for buys, right? Price did come. I didn't like the way it came with this candle, so I just let it do its thing. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait for this high to get broken as a sort of, as a form of what's this? A break of structure, an internal break of structure to show that okay, since this high got broken, which and after it came to test this imbalance, which means we most likely to shoot up, right? So I waited. I even forgot about the trade yesterday. It came here, but it was late, like it was around 8 o'clock. Okay, it was not eight in fact, man. I waited, and then I only saw this morning. This morning, I saw price was around here, and then I entered the buys because it broke above this. It did break and close above this high. This low was created. This low was created, but then when this low got created, it was higher than this low. This high was higher than these highs. So I was like, okay, since we're here, there's a high chance we might create even higher highs to target these highs here. That's why my TP is at these highs here. So it's not looking good right now. It's not looking good, but I'm not gonna close it. It's either stop loss or TP for now, guys. This thing of closing trades before it can really, for me, I don't like it, man. I'd rather know that I'm fully wrong or I'm fully right. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna let it do its thing. It's not looking good, but you know what? There's nothing I can do for now. But then also another reason why I'm doubting this trade is because of this imbalance that's happening here. That price might come to tap before shooting up. You know, we also have this imbalance that like there's just a lot, bro. The these news are what's probably affecting the dollar, but yeah, I don't like the way it's been moving lately. But yeah, man, let's see what happens, guys. Let's just see what happens. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm not as confident as I was with this trade before. Yeah, I'm not confident with the trade, but I'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We'll see, guys. AUD USD, man. This is also another. I thought it was gonna sell as well. Didn't sell. We still, it's also kind of confusing though, because like, look, it broke structure, it broke these lows, broke all of these lows, but then look where we are now. Because like when price came, then let me tell you guys, let me show you something, guys. When price was around here, bro, I thought that I marked this last candle before the shoot before the sell as my as the supply. Is it supply? Yes, as my supply zone, because look at this candle, guys, on the daily, and it broke all these daily lows. I'm like, yeah, we going down. I was sure of sales, but then looking at it now, it's like, yeah, no, this is confusing now. This is so confusing because not only do we take these lows, but we took these highs as well. And it's like, are we shooting down? Are we going up? Like, what's going on, bro? So this is AUD by the way, guys. So it's a thing of I'm just gonna have to wait, you know. I'm just gonna have to wait and not touch AUD until I am fully confident, because this is not looking good, you know. Or is this? I don't know, bro. We're just gonna have to wait for AUD to do its thing. But for now, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna force it. I'm not gonna force it. I don't know where we are going, and I'm fine with it. I'm fine with not knowing. Someone might know. You guys might know, but for me, I don't know, bro. And I'm just gonna leave it at that. I don't want to force anything. You know what I'm saying? But if you, I'd say we might go up, but I'm not gonna trade this pair. I'm not gonna trade it. The gold's been shooting. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, see, gold's been shooting. I think the best thing for us is just to wait for the pullback. Try selling it, because it's just been buying. and buying and buying and buying. So if you wanna trade gold nicely, wait for a break of structure on the low time frames to start looking for sells as a pullback on the high time frame, and then yeah, try trade the pullbacks, man, because entering buys now is a bit tricky for me. But yeah, and Nasdaq, German 30 and US 30, I don't trade like that, but I did mark the zone though on US 30. I don't know if it's gonna reverse from this zone to come tap this zone as well. We'll see, because it made a high, a higher high. This might be another higher high. No, it made a a higher low. Then maybe this might be the higher low as well, because this high was lower than this high, so might get a new higher high as well. We don't know. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for me. Yeah, that's my market structure. That's my weekly. Um, you know, what's this, man? This is my market breakdown. Yeah, guys, yo, it's been a while since I did this, guys. So don't judge me, man. Don't judge me, guys. I'm getting back to the flow of things, man. I'm getting back to the flow of things. You know, the videos are gonna improve as I shoot more. So yeah, man. Let me just try to get the bag. And month end, guys. Month end, I'm planning on buying a funded account, man. It's been long overdue now. I'm gonna get a funded account month end. I still don't know yet. I might make a video like researching the funded accounts, and then I'll see which one I you know I go for basically. But from me, this is the end of the video, guys. Please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, I guess. Hopefully it won't take me 2 weeks, 2 weeks to upload a video, but soon, guys. I will be sooner than expected. I'm just trying to be consistent until the end of the year. Yeah, I've got until December. You get me? So I'll catch you guys on the next video, guys, and I'm out.